So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series, 7th video on the links tag. So links in the sense, the one is like, I got a text, sir. I got some link. Click that one. I need to navigate to other page. Then we can achieve with the anchor tag. So anchor tag is a powerful tag to do some navigations to another page. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. You can see the anchor tag here. Over here I got the body tag, body, anchor tag is there, and you got the hyper reference. So body tag is there. So anchor tag can be placed in the body tag. Okay, so href, wikitiki.com, wikitiki. And this is the one it got displayed here with the closing tag here. Anchor tag / closing tag. On clicking this link, you will be getting this wikitiki.com. This is how your anchor tag works. And if you talk about the link tag, if you talk about the link tags here, this can be done with the link. So link tag is placed with a link. I want to refer another page in this particular page. I want to link in another page, sir. How can I achieve? I want to link in another URL, that is anchor tag. Link a file, you got the link tag. Over here, the link tag will be like this. There is a file I want to link. And what is the type of the file and what is the relation between this file and that file? That is called as link tag, which can be placed in the head tag. Okay, so you can see the CSS file, what is the type of the file and what is the relationship with this HTML? It is linked. These two files are linked. And whatever content placed in this one will be considered over here. That is called as link tag. We'll talk about in detail in CSS tags. And we're going to talk about the navigation tag. What is navigation tag, sir? Grouping of navigation links. So NAV. So I want to group the links, sir. I want to group this particular link, sir. And I want to group this particular link, sir. Place it in the navigation link tag. It is just a grouping of tags to make you to understand that those under the navigation you got a lot of navigation links. Okay, you can see it here. This is your navigation links. This is your navigation tag. You got the navigation tag NAV/NAV. Under that you got all the navigation links and everything. This is how your navigation tag works.